Welcome to Collab for Trello. Collab for Trello extension consists of tools that help you add and remove same Trello members from multiple boards and workspaces at once, saving you time and stress of doing it manually. To get started with using Collab for Trello extension, search for it on Google Chrome Store and click Add to Chrome. Then, wait a few seconds for it to be installed. Ensure you pin it to your extensions bar for easy access when needed. Navigate to your Trello page and click on Collab for Trello extension icon. A new tab where you can sign in to start using the extension will be opened. On the bottom of the sign-in page, click Register. You will be redirected to Collab for Trello authorization page. You will get 5 free credits to test our tools after first successful authorization. Click the Click to Authorize button to authorize your Trello account with Collab for Trello. After successful authorization, you will be redirected to Collab for Trello homepage, where you can get your extension login details. Click View My Extension Login Details button to view your extension login details. Copy and paste the email and extension key from your extension login details to the sign-in page of the extension. Click the Login button on the sign-in page to sign in. On successful sign-in, you will be redirected to the extension homepage, where you can select tool that matches the action you want to execute. In this tutorial, we will be adding members to multiple Trello boards. Hence why I am selecting Add Trello Members to Multiple Boards tool. You will be prompted to select means of addition between by email or by name. By name means should only be used if the member to be added is present on one of your boards already. You can easily search for the desired members' names from a list of all your board members' names and add them to other boards. In this tutorial, we will select email means. If you navigate to the board section and click on any of the board's name, you will see a drop-down list of all members present on that board. Navigate upwards to the members' email input box. Input emails of desired members to be added, each separated by a comma, if more than one. Navigate downwards to the board section. Click on the checkbox beside the board's name to select desired boards to add the members to. You can also use Select All option if desired members are to be added to all boards. After selecting all desired boards to add members to, click the blue Add Members button by the right-hand side of the page to start adding. Note that number of credits charged is equal to numbers of members involved. Fix any errors in the email inputs, if any, and click the Add Members button again to start adding. Wait for the process to be done in few seconds. Click the OK button once the process is completed to return to the Members Addition page. That's how easy it is to save 95% of your time adding members to multiple boards with Collab for Trello.